Right, we're here at the Lowdown Garage. Now this is just a short snippet, might go in another video, might not, but we're at the point where we've been working on the Porsche all weekend, and this is where we're at now, as you can see.
Oh lad, it won't come off because I'm spinning the whole mount.
I'll hold the mount. Engine mounts are coming off. You're not on it.
No, it's off.
Is it? Oh. Engine mount removed.
Engine.
So we're gonna remove engine. And then we've also now got a sign, Joe.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Sign. For no reason whatsoever, just because I wanted a sign, so I made a sign. Engine removal time. Right, we're back at the crucial point a few hours later, and well, we changed plans, taking this front subframe out now. We realised we can't come up with it because of the way the engine mounts are designed, so they're like that. They get in the way, and how we're trying to do it, you wouldn't have got it out without the subframe out, so we took the subframe out, which is over here.
Very tidy.
Took everything out as apart as we possibly can, but we're going to get all that reconditioned, so that's good. And yeah, we're gonna come down with it now off that. We're going to come down and out, hopefully, so let's find out. Right, hello and welcome to the present day. Now, obviously you've just seen us take the engine out of the 924, and that's the current situation. Got the new engine that we went and collected a few weeks ago, and here it is. So that is just another 2 litre with hopefully decent compression compared to this one. So we're going to be swapping all the good bits off the old one onto the new one, doing general maintenance and gaskets. So join us for a bit of an engine rebuild, not full, but you know, just a refresh, shall we say. Got the typical Haynes manual on the go. I'm going to start by taking the first spark plug out, finding top dead centre and marking the timing marks. I'm going to take the pulleys off so Lucas can give those a clean up and stuff, and just get going, I suppose. Honestly, it's quite nice because if you see, I can just kind of sit down next to it, which makes it nice and easy for me, because I don't find these things easy. Plug. Arrived. An absolute pussy mobile. That's a point actually, while we're here, Joe's fixing his Civic. There it is, he's doing some fantastic, endless, boring welding job. There you go. Joe, do you have anything to say about your Civic while we're here? Rust, yeah. Back to this. I've got the Haynes manual out just for the sake of having it out. Yeah, like, if Lucas sees me not looking at the manual, he's like, what are you doing? Oh my god! You're gonna blow it up! Endless umming and ahhing. I'll be back when there's some progress. Alright, garage update. We've got the engine stripped mostly, so kinda like that. Gonna let Lucas degrease it and paint some brackets. Hello. And then here we're doing get the alternator off and the manifold off and the starter off, but Joe's messing with his exhaust so we get some flames. Oh, it's gonna be well loud. Flames. Big flames.
Wow, that was loud. There were lots of flames there.
I could see it.
Singeing the radiator.
Melted your fan.
Yeah. Just fit an exhaust that I had on my first car to Ashton's car. It literally sounds like a Subaru because it is off a Subaru, but it's the only car that's ever sounded like a Subaru. Quick summary, we've sort of got to this point with the engine. There you go, a little look around. Nice and bare at a point where, you know, we can clean things and other stuff like that. Old engines are fallen over. And we've had a nice tidy up of the garage. Ta-da. So that's it for now, and we'll join you another day when we do a bit more on this. Time for some Civic sounds. Civic! Civic! That was 5.5. Civic! That sounds like...
You were just into with no filter on the road. I didn't realise that.
Flames.
Didn't sound that.
No flames. Anyway, we're back at the unit for another day. We're going to get stripped down on the Porsche engine. We're at this stage now anyway, so I've got the cam belt all marked up, so I'm going to take that off and then I'm going to re-gasket the whole engine. I think that's the plan. Yeah, good fun. Wait. Yo, look at that. What is that?
Disgusting!
We've got the sump gasket off now and we've decided that we're going to do the oil pump. So I've got to clean up all of this rubbish and do the rear main seal, and then that's sort of as far as I can get. I could probably do a few little other bits, so we'll see. We're just doing a bit of cleaning really now. So. You've got to leave it to soak for 5 minutes. Soaking. Let's do the rear main seal. So the rear main is this one at the back. That one there. So luckily I can see it from the back. So let's just push it out, push a new one in. What's going on?
Plates. Car.
We've got one corner and we've got other corner. What to say?
It does job.
Yeah, that'll do. Update, join us at Lowdown Garage for tea time. Lowdown Garage,
noodles.
Succulent pot noodles. Joe's got a kimchi, that's a bit of a higher tier really, I'd say. Yeah, you what?
Bit upper class.
Yeah, a bit upper class that. He's a bit of a snob. He's been busy building bridge over River Kwai over here. How's it going?
What?
How's it going?
Good.
Let's have a look. Oh, look at that, boy. Having fun?
No.
Not eating your tea yet?
In a minute.
5-star meal? Right, there we have it. Thank you for watching this episode of Lowdown Garage. Obviously, next episode of the Porsche, you'll find us actually getting a few more bits back together. I'll be doing the engine rebuild. Lucas will be cleaning still, like he has been doing for a million days. And Joe will be doing a more rusty Civic, which will be that bit there.
Scrubbing the deck.
Yeah. So that's what's going on in the garage. Yeah, comment what you want to see of the garage if there's what else you want to see. I mean, it's a bit of a tip, really. The desk is never clean. There we have it. Yeah. Right. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Yeah. Bye. Alright, thanks for watching this episode of... Right, as I was saying, GoPro's shit. I don't know how long it's going to last, so I'll just do it quick. But yeah, Joe's got most of his Civic